Hey Benin,
Yes.
I've just booked campsite 4 for the Noosa Trail. What do you reckon?
I'm excited!
You're excited? Okay guys, hi. Hey, do you remember that we said because we worked so hard over Christmas there would be a staff trip to the Noosa Everglades? Do you remember that? Okay, but we just, because we can't all go there, we've had to do a draw. And really good news, Benin and me and Dinah and Verona have actually won a spot to go to the Noosa Everglades. So the good news is you guys are going to be here in the shop.
Oh, that's fantastic news.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
Dan, you look a little bit disappointed.
Just heartbroken.
What is...
I thought, you know, we're a
Can't paddle
team,
with you. Yeah.
go together.
I can't wait to get out there. It's going to be heaps of fun. No
More
boring
fun
encounter
than
for
this?
me. Of course.
Bye!
We should go to Warralong Dam.
That sounds like a damn good idea, Dan.
We'll have a boys' day out.
Yeah, boys stay out. Without any footer?
Yeah,
Big boys' toys.
exactly, exactly. We'll have some man time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like totally straight up man time. No silly business.
That's good.
Okay, you guys got up there? Yep. Okay.
Oh, who put a tow bar on the car? And we saw it.
Watch out for the bull sharks. You can take a little folding potty.
Yeah.
Nicely done. Come over here. Do you like paddling in the rain, Dinah?
It's like a meditation of sorts, I feel.
Do you reckon it's the noise?
Possibly, but on the feeling of the rain it's not cold.
Do you like paddling in the rain?
He's just paddling.
Oh, you're not paddling in the rain. Okay, what do you reckon about the rain then?
Oh, it's really refreshing.
Look, I read somewhere that 15% of all drownings on the river from kayakers are because they're not wearing a life vest. Benin, it seems that you have your life jacket on, but it's not on properly.
I don't want to wear this life jacket, but I should. Bam! I got natural buoyancy.
Guys made it.
Yeah, still easy.
Woohoo! Benin, at campsite 3 you said you'd never come paddling again. What do you make of it now you actually arrived here?
Hey, thank God.
How's it going, Benin, with the tent?
Figuring it out, getting it up.
It's
Looks
very
good.
tricky, isn't it?
Oh no,
All those poles and stuff.
I need to.
How's it going?
Good, great. Just got the fire.
Oh, this is the fly that you put this up.
Yeah, I did.
This is phenomenal.
Well, I found the tent pegs, so that's a good thing.
Okay, so shall we go and have a look, see how it's going?
Yes, we shall.
Yeah. Is it done?
Done.
Did the kids do it for you?
Hey?
Did the kids do it for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
nuts that Dan said to do something with. I can't remember what.
Oh. Okay, they'll be for around the tree maybe? Did you say something about the tree?
Yes?
Yeah, okay, well we missed that bit, so we might as well forget about it now. Then we'll never know. Is your coffee cold enough to drink now?
Cold enough to drink.
What do you reckon of the powdered milk?
Powdered milk shit.
It's good, nothing wrong with it.
You would never know, would you?
No.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows for dessert.
All the good stuff, yep.
Bananas.
Bananas.
Shapes. I've got my shapes. So in Samoa there's a legend of Sina and the eel. So the eel followed Sina everywhere, and Sina ran away. She ended up cutting the head of the eel off
Nasty.
and chucking it in the ground, and that's how coconut grew. Tissue went like this, went boom, put his head in the ground, coconut tree grew. Not very stressful.
Wow,
That's juice, you can have that.
that's awesome.
Can I have a bite?
Wait, I'm going to share. Need to get her knife.
Oh, her knife.
Look at that.
Taste, drink of the.
How nice is that?
Damn nice.
Me and Dinah are just setting off for that walk to the sand patch. It's nearly 6 o'clock.
5:27.
5:20. Oh, heaps of time. How long do you think it will take us?
Well, 7 k's.
Yeah.
I can do 2 Ks in 20 minutes.
So I reckon an hour and a half.
What time's dinner, Benny?
8.
8 o'clock. So if we're here by 8, we get dinner.
4.9.
Where are you going, Dinah?
The sandy patch. Hopefully they have dinner ready for us when we get back.
Okay, well, better hurry up. Let's go.
Stop mucking around.
Yeah, let's go. This is the right way because there's a road there and a road there.
2 Ks.
Looks like there's a sand patch up there.
It is such a beautiful sunset. We had to stop and do a film of it for you to see it.
Ooh,
You see the vortexy clouds like being sucked into it.
yeah.
So if I went this way, see, it's like I'm being
Go back
sucked
down
in.
there.
See through the clearing.
Is that sand over there? That white stuff?
And
Oh, yeah.
over there.
Woohoo! Let's go there.
We're here
Hey.
at sand.
This is the beautiful Kalula sand patch with the sun setting, disappearing. Bit of water, trees, lots of sand, and far away in the distance is little Dinah doing selfies. Yeah. What are you blowing up there?
One of my fantastic Lucy lights.
What are you going to do with it?
I didn't bring the party one though. I should have brought the party one.
I got a party one.
How about I throw it to you?
Yeah, but I can not. Okay, yeah, sure, why not? Whoa!
Will you sing the lady in red?
No, that's later.
Does that count?
That no. Yeah, that's nice. Can you do other things than circles? Do number 759.
Let's go.
Yes, that way.
This way?
Yes, I'm hoping. I'm hoping it's that way. Little frog, you are number 30 of all the frogs we have seen, and you are pretty beautiful, as long as you don't jump this way. Wow, number 30, man. What do you reckon? Oh, it's cool, hey? Yeah. We shall call you...
We're going to call you
No,
Christian with Dinah's ship.
no, Dinah, no. You cannot kick it.
46 toads and
Frogs.
2, they're toads, 2 tawny frog mouth owls.
Sure.
We've seen a little bird and...
I just wanted you to talk about the owl. Right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, there's
So
the
can
owl.
We go home now?
Yeah, let's kick some toads.
Talked about that. Okay, so you guys are number 49 and number 50. You should maybe get off that frog. Yeah, all right. We have to go now. We've got dinner waiting, but maybe get off its head at least so it can breathe. Can you do that? Thank you. Dinah, seriously, do not kick these frogs. Oh, look, Dinah, it's a Lucy light showing the way to the campsite. Ah, they come in handy, these Lucy lights. And there's the little path. We're home. Woohoo!
Yay.
This is the cooking going on. The veggies steaming away. What on earth's in there? Are you doing all the cooking, Benny, all by yourself?
I contributed.
Oh,
I have helpers.
you're eating? Well, smells good. Yep. So you would happily,
I think I probably feel a bit
on
crunchy.
purpose, kill a frog that's called a toad. Janine just made me my dinner, and it's this thing. I think it's just called a spring onion. I don't think it's nice to eat raw. Put it back in my bowl of uncooked vegetables. I think I'll go with this one next.
Tongue that out.
I think this is an asparagus.
Sauce out.
How do you get that salmon? Where did the salmon come from?
Here you go.
I didn't get salmon.
I thought you didn't eat salmon.
Oh yeah, that's correct, but you know, I just want to... Dinah, good morning. I hope you sleep.
Quite well.
First night in the hammock?
Yeah, it was good. Oh, I had one mozzie come in, but he didn't bite me.
You didn't get wet?
No.
No, pretty good. Okay.
Thanks, Stan, for the hammock.
Yeah. Benine, how did you sleep?
I had a good sleep.
Yeah? Hey, Mark. Where have you been? You've been for a paddle already? Yeah. Wow, where did you go?
I had a campsite fire.
What did you?
Yeah.
What was it like?
Oh, it's nice.
Oh gosh, that's heavy. Heavy. I didn't even try.
Oh, no.
I was just like,
Hey Mark, there's one question left to be asked.
What's that?
How did you worm your way into this camping trip?
You invited. That was very kind of
Kind
you.
of very kind.
Yes, very kind.
Lovely.
And I must say, I have enjoyed it.
Yeah, haven't you?
It's good to get out of Brisbane and
Yeah,
back up here.
excellent. Wonderful. Well, it was nice to have you along.
hey.
Tired already. Okay. So I'm tired already.
I don't know. Follow my nose, maybe.
Thought we were going to have the wind behind us.
I'm gonna buy you a Rewa jacket. Rewa for girls.
Hello.
Hello. You can't hear me, can you? No. Hi. How good is it to see this jetty? That last stretch was a bit horrible. No. Okay. Made it. Yay. Hands on the paddle.
I'm glad we made it back, safe and sound.